Well, hello, I'm Candy Sherwin. Thanks for coming here to learn the dance Champagne Promise. It is a 32 count approval level line dance. It 4 walls, a little easy tag sorta, and a restart. It's choreographed by Tina Argyle. And Scully and I are ready to teach this to you, except she's laying in the middle of the dance floor. When did you move over here? All right, buddy, I'm gonna move around you. What are you gonna do? Let's do it. Here we go. Cross it over, and we go weave, 2, 3, and we're going to touch, cross over, step back, and you're going to shuffle back, step together, step. So the weave starts on the right foot but travels to the left. So we have 1, 2, 3, a little diagonal 4, crossing 5, back on 6, step together, step. Second count of 8, your right foot is free, you're going to rock back on it. Rock, recover, and a shuffle with a half turn. So you're going to follow your left shoulder as you go right, left, right. Now rock back on your left, follow your right shoulder, and go left, right, left. Once again, that goes 1, 2, a 3, and 4, 5, 6, a 7, and 8. From the top, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, cross and step, shuffle back. Now here's your rock recover with your shuffle turn on 3 and 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we got 2 more 8s, we're halfway there. This part is going to step back. You're going to step back a slight diagonal, and I'll do it once and then I'll show it to you from another angle. You're going to step, touch, step, touch, step down with that knee bent, and then step on it. 2 walks and a shuffle front. Step, together, step. It goes with counts right, left, left, right. I'm not counting, am I? And down, step, walk, walk, shuffle. I'm going to turn my back so you can see the angles, and I will count. 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And of course that's at that wall, but we'll do it from the top. Here we go. 6, 7, cross. Right and left and right. Points stepping over, back, shuffle 7 and 8. Rock, recover, half turn. 3 and 4. Again, 6, 7. Tap it back and out and down and walk, 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 triple step. And for me, that's a little easy way to remember that that walk follows, is that from here I start the walking and then I take those 2 steps. Okay? So we've done our shuffle. We've got 1 more count of 8. We're on our right leg. We're going to do another rock recover with the left. Rock left, recover right, pulling my shoulder a little bit because I'm going to turn it. Step, together, step. I'm going to do another turn. Step, together, step. I'm weighted on my right foot to do a left sailor step, ending with an 1/8 of a turn, back, side, side. Just a little bit of an angle because that's the end of the dance, and that allows you to start nice and clean for that crossover on the weave. Okay? So let's go over that one again. The rock recovers forward, left, right, 3 and 4, right foot, 5 and 6, sailor, 7 and 8, start the dance, which we will do. I'm going to go back to here, and since that is the whole thing, except for the little tag, we're going to do it from the top, at that wall and that wall. And I will try to avoid stepping at that dog. All right, here we go. 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, 5, back, 6, shuffle, 7 and 8, rock, recover, shuffle, turn. 3 and 4, rock, recover, shuffle to your right, 7 and 8. Go tap, tap, settle, walk, 2 more steps, shuffle front, rock, recover with your left, turning, 2, a 3 and 4, a 5 and 6, a sailor, here we go. Go cross, out, behind, touch, 6 o'clock, triple step, rock and turn to 12, rock and turn, tap it back right, tap it out, little diagonal. You want to do that on an angle. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Left, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Almost got them. And then you start it again. So there is one very simple tag that happens during wall 8. So wall 8 is here, and you do it 22 counts. And what that's going to take you to is after you've done the tap and the tap and the tap, and you do the 2 walks, and then you would do a triple. Instead of doing a triple, you're going to do a walk. So basically, you're going to have 4 walks. And that's because there's a restart, and that will set you on the correct foot. So let's do wall 8 together, which is facing over here at 3 o'clock. Okay, here we go with the weave. 7, 8, and cross. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Rock. 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Keep going. It's in this kind of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take 4 walks, 7, 8, and start the dance again with a crossover. So you'll be starting it at that wall. So you still stay in the correct order of the walls. Okay, so you're taking out the shuffle in the 3rd count of 8. You're taking 4 walks, and you drop the last count of 8 in order to do a restart. Okay, so I think the next thing to do, Mr. Scully, is to just put on the music and dance it out. This has a 32 count intro. Long enough for me to ask my dog to dance. Hey, buddy. What's happening down here? No? Guess it's just you and me. Let's do it. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, we go.
Look at you don't play fair. Not a word, just standing there. You always know what dress to wear and how to take it off. Second glass and candlelight. In the moment it feels so right. You whisper that you wanna stay the night. I just laugh because all the signs are saying I should be more cautious. You keep coming closer and there ain't no stopping. No, I can't ever slow you down. Girl, I know what you really want. Before you get to going, let me tell you something. You ain't nothing but a champagne promise. And baby, you're the finest around. Sweet lips and pretty lies. Say you love me one more time. But you'll be gone before you say goodbye, 'cause you never do. You ain't nothing but a champagne promise. All the signs are saying I should be more cautious. You keep coming closer and there ain't no stopping. No, I can't ever slow you down. Girl, I know what you really want. Before you get to going, let me tell you something. You ain't nothing but a champagne promise. And baby, you're the finest around. Oh, you're like the temporary rush.
Have the extra walks.
You like the thorn rose.
5.
You ain't ever gonna champagne promise. All the signs are saying I should be more cautious. You keep coming closer and there ain't no stopping. I can't ever slow you down. Girl, I know what you really want. Before you get to going, let me tell you something. You ain't nothing but a champagne promise. And baby, you're the finest around.
nice on the body. You know, when you're dancing, it flows really well. Anyway, I appreciate you coming here to learn it. Remember to subscribe and share and all that jazz. You know, make comments and like it. That's really awesome when you do that. And, you know, let people know. I do teach in the Los Angeles area, so if you come to visit, please look me up so we can dance together at one of the venues that I'll be at. Keep a look on social media for me. I do some cruises and extra events. Maybe we can dance that way. So, on behalf of my handsome assistant, Scully, thank you for coming and watching, and I'll see you on the dance floor.